Hello everyone, Coach Adam here. Today we're going to do a 10-minute workout. Now, the benefit of this 10-minute workout is we're going to pump up our metabolism. And the way we're going to do that is we're going to work the large muscle groups like our thighs, our glutes, our chest, our core. We're going to keep stretching in between. Now, a lot of you are sitting behind a desk. I'm going to incorporate this 10-minute workout or right under 10-minute workout with stretching in between. And that's going to make sure that we're efficient with our time, and it's going to keep us loose and limber. So that's another goal. 3, the amount of exercises that we're going to do is just going to be right enough to ignite that metabolism, pump up those large muscle groups, and make sure that we actually are in higher calorie burning mode for the remainder of the day. So let's say if you do this in the morning or in the afternoon, you're going to be in a high caloric burn mode. If you do it in the evening, that's fine too. So you don't need anything for this workout. It's right under 10 minutes. It's your own body weight. Ready to go? Okay, we're going to start with 5 walkouts. Hands on the floor. Up. 2. 3. 4. 5. And 6. Okay, if you have a stopwatch, keep that handy. If you've got an app on the phone, keep that handy as well. But I'm going to tell you how to switch. First thing first, we're going to start with our hands like this, pelvis in, 45 seconds squats. Keep your back straight, hips back, knees behind the toes. Breathing. Feet nice and wide, a little bit wider than your hips. Just pumping the muscles. And it's 45 seconds. Next, bridges for 45 seconds on the floor, pushing from the heels, working the glutes, up. 15 seconds. And time, okay. Mobility and stretch break. Cat and cow, hands directly underneath your shoulders. Knees directly underneath your hips. Loosening up the lower back. Inhale. Exhale. 10 reps, ready? Awesome, all right, feeling nice and loose. Next, 30-second push-ups, modified, on your knees or off your knees. That's up to you. I'm gonna go for my first set off the knees. Chest comes all the way down to the floor, core is super engaged, nice and neutral. Ready? Inhale down, exhale up. And go. with control. 8 seconds. And awesome, shake your arms out. Feeling a nice little pump here. Next, alternating lunges, 45 seconds, 3, 2, 1. Keeping those knees behind. Lunge, lunge, breathe, neutral core. 30 seconds. Keep that breathing up. Deep breathing, always. In through your nose, out through your mouth. $15. And breathe. Okay, next. 45-second bridges. Back on the floor, feeling the glutes. Ten seconds. Awesome. Feeling that. Back to 10 cat and cow. Loosen up your lower back. Hands on top. Shoulders, hands, hips, knees, one alignment. Ready. Awesome. Okay, next we're going to go to core slash abs. This is called a frog. You're going to lay down on your mat. You're going to bring your elbows to the knees. Contract here, right here. And then gentle release. 20 reps. Really feeling this. And 20. Go right to a plank. 30 seconds. Okay, here we go. On your elbows, breathing belly in. And time, perfect. 10 cat and cow. Squats, 45 seconds. This time, hands folded, belly button in. Good form. "20 seconds. And up. Loosen up. Okay. Let's get one more set of frogs, 20 reps. And 9 minutes, 50 seconds. Stay with me for a minute. We'll stretch your backs out, our hips out. Workout done. Okay, stretching. Trunk rotations on your back. Right leg straight. Use that left hand straight. And switch. Left leg straight, bent. Use that right hand. Breathe. And again, switch. And switch. And great, okay, next. Butterfly, just 30 seconds, feet together, belly button in, grab the feet, breathe, head straight, close your eyes. This is all about moving down to a different frequency of energy. Bringing your body down to the power of breath. All right, come on up. Okay, shake your legs out. Finally, bring that chest all the way down to your knees. Grab the back of the feet. And rest. Well done. So that is your workout under 10 minutes to pump up your metabolisms. Send a little stimulation here, 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 and here. And rep you up for the day. Signing out, Coach Adam. Have a great day.